Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by removing the old pad now. This is where precision matters. First, power off and lay the headphones on a clean cloth. Use a small flat spudger to gently pry the edge of the pad away from the cup. Keep the motion flat and slow so you don't deform the ear cup. Once a section lifts, peel the pad back evenly around the circumference. Make sure to note the orientation of the broken adhesive and any retention tabs for reassembly. Now clean the bonding area thoroughly. You want no residue. Use an isopropyl wipe, then let the surface air dry. Adhesion fails if damp. Next, test fit the new pad without removing backing. Align the retention tabs or lip to the mounting slots so the pad sits flush. Once aligned, peel the backing a little and begin attaching at a single point. Slowly press and rotate, removing more backing as you go to maintain alignment and avoid trapping air. Finish by applying firm, even pressure along the entire rim. Hold each segment for about 10 to 15 seconds so the adhesive bonds. Once done, rotate the cup gently to confirm the pad is seated and the seal feels even. If you notice looseness or gaps, carefully peel back to the problem area, replace torn adhesive strips, and reseat. Finally, test with sound and movement. If base is diminished, recenter the cushion for a proper acoustic seal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.